Hello, this is Jammal and Baba. Today is October 31st, 2023. I woke up this morning and the Abibu that popped up on my random shuffle of my music was a topic about prosperity. Prosperity. He actually cut the plate for Adisa Makanjuọla. Let's go on a journey using Abibu lens and approach what prosperity is. So he started off with Ọba tó dá owó, òun ló pọ́n owó lé. The God that created wealth make it something that's always wanted by pretty much all society. Ọba tó dá owó ló pọ́n owó lé. The creator of wealth, gave wealth dignity that makes people attracted to wanting it. Ọba tó dá owó ló pọ́n owó lé. So, from Abibu's point of view, let's hear it. I'm pulling it from a compilation. So it was meaning a series of his songs they put on a long file. Tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ṣe jàtijàti. Tèmi ni mo wí, bí wá Olódùmarè. Yálẹ̀ wá ó san wájà òwúrọ̀ lọ o. Yá mi sáyé lọ, tèmi ni mo wí. Tèmi ni mo wí. Ó tó dá owó ló pọ́n owó lé. Bàṣírí wa Olódùmarè. Yálẹ̀ wá ó san wájú òwúrọ̀ lọ o. Ọba tó dá owó, God created wealth. Ọba tó dá owó, òun ló pọ́n owó lé. Bàṣírí wa Olódùmarè. Jẹ́ ká lẹ̀ wa ó san wájú òwúrọ̀ wa lọ. May the later part of our life be more comfortable for us than the earlier life. Ká ti fi ọ̀dọ́ ṣiṣẹ́, ká lè fi ògbó gbádùn ọrọ̀. Ọrọ̀ means and comfort. Ká lẹ̀ wa kó san wájú òwúrọ̀ wa lọ. Ká má jẹ egungun gbẹ̀yìn ẹran. In our later years, some people, they were born with a silver spoon. In the later years, things just hard and they just could not maintain it because they never really had to work hard in the earlier phase of life. So the later phase of life, they didn't have anything to bank on. Ká má jẹ egungun gbẹ̀yìn ẹran. So he's still doing the comparison. Ká má fi ebi gbẹ̀yìn ayọ̀. Mo ti yó. Ebi, starvation. Ayọ̀, I'm full. My tummy is full. I'm comfortable. I've had enough to eat. May we not end in later part of our life with starvation, hunger. May we not be regretful in our later part of our life. Some people, they have easy life in their earlier days of their life, and later on in their later part of their life, things are really just hard. Some, they have it hard. They learn to pull themselves up by their bootstrap, and in the later life, they are more comfortable. They have retirement. They have comfort. They've saved. For me or I jẹun. That's what he's talking about there. Iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ máa rí ṣe o kò ní ṣe owó máa rí kìnìyàn gan. Àwọn èèyàn kan máa rí ṣe o máa rí kò ní ṣe o kan máa gan mú àrísìkí o. Be able to, the traders, may them be prosperous, be profitable, and then to gum arisiki. Only the Almighty God is the all-knowing. Oluwa nìkan ló gbọ́n. Only the God is all-knowing. Oluwa nìkan ló gbọ́n. Lékún àrísìkí fi wàhálà yàbálẹ̀ láyé. Iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ ni kò yàn fún wa o, bó tutù ni kò wọ́n. Iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ ni kò yàn fún wa o, bó tutù ni kò lùwà fún mi. Iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ ni kò yàn fún wa. May He not assign us. May we not end up with assigned back-breaking work that breaks you mentally, physically, and emotionally. So may we end up being assigned the task, job, that we go there, we do our best, is not breaking you, but you apply yourself, and then you're able to walk away and enjoy your prosperity. Iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ ni kò yàn fún wa. Owó tútù, not owó gbígbóná, owó tútù. Tá fi jáde láyé. If you end up with owó gbígbóná, you will get caught up in a spin cycle. And once you're in that loop, it's hard to come out. You can have all the òyìnbó you want to pàrọ̀nù rẹ̀. You're not going to get out of it. Because once you get into the spin cycle, it's going to be tough. You get caught up with all the vanity entrapment. And once you trap with vanity, is a loop. Which means your hustling will continue. But if you have a wotutu with contentment, autopilot, smooth sailing. That's what he's saying there. Wotutu ni kò yàn fún wa. Tàbí jáde láyé, máa mọ̀ màmá mò ṣí wọ́n ní níjọ́ èbí ń pọ̀ tí ó dá ìmẹ̀wé náà wretched and destitute. À ń bọ̀ wá bá wa ibi nìyàn àdàmọ́. Ìdẹ̀ra ń bọ̀ wá bá wa with all the hardship and pain in the early phase. You have perseverance, you stay the course, you work hard, intelligently, and you save, put some away. Ní ìdẹ̀ra ń bọ̀ wá bá wa ibi ní àdàmọ́. What's ibi ní àdàmọ́? That's another influence of his Islamic angle. Àwọn Lárúbáwá, the Saudis, the Arabs in the Middle East Peninsular area, one of the main characteristics they use for identifying an individual is offspring of who is he, offspring of who is she. So wọ́n darapọ̀ wọ́n ní Ali ibn Muhammad ibn Majid. Ali yẹn ọmọ Muhammad tó jẹ́ ọmọ Majid. Ibn IBN, but tiniba kọrin ìrìn àtẹ̀. Any foreign language that comes to Yoruba land, we Yorubalized it. So we added NU to it. Ibn. Then we add NU to it. Ibn Adamo. Ibn Adamo. Ibn Adamo. Meaning offspring of Adam. Ìdẹ̀ra ń bọ̀ wá bá wa, we the descendants of Adam. Meaning things might be hard. If you stay the course and you're pious and you do the right thing, you still get comfort at the end of the day. Ìdẹ̀ra, comfort, prosperity. Jàmí àṣẹ oníkan lóko ń bọ̀ wá dùn ju oyin lọ. Ayé oníkálukú ń bọ̀ wá dùn ju oyin lọ. Alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn bí Elédùmarè ò sí. What is alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn? Alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn is an individual that's fully vested in your welfare. Alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn. Kò sí alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn bí Elédùmarè. No one is really vested in your well-being as much as the Almighty God. So ní alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn bí Elédùmarè ò sí. Olódùmarè ò sí. Makanjuọla o, alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn bí Olódùmarè ò sí. Ọba wa jẹ́ alátìlẹ́yìn wa. What's an alátìlẹ́yìn? Alátìlẹ́yìn is an helper. Alátìlẹ́yìn, helper. And there's no helper greater than the Creator. Ọba wa jẹ́ alátìlẹ́yìn wa. Alátìlẹ́yìn, helper. Alágbọ̀rọ̀dùn, individual interested in your well-being. Alátìlẹ́yìn, helper. Dúdùn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ o, Adisa Makanjuọla, àlàáfíà ló máa wà o, orí òní. Bàbí Adisa, orí òní, jẹsẹ̀ ó ṣìnà, yé bọ̀bọ̀. So the drum, they use that a lot on the island. kókó tí kókó yé bọ̀bọ̀. Meaning, the reason say kókó tí kókó yé bọ̀bọ̀, the studio lights already turned to flash to warn them that, oh, you're at the end now. So the drummer to kókó tí kókó yé bọ̀bọ̀. So that's it. But I'm gonna cover the drum of it now because I know some of you guys will be interested in the drum. Like I said, I'm pulling this from the compilation, so I have to roll it back. Yeah, we could start from here. Tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ṣe jàtijàti. Tèmi ni mo wí. Ní tèmi ni mo wí. Ní tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ṣe jàtijàti. Ní tèmi ni mo wí. Sometimes they will say, ní tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ta fèlèfèlè. Ní tèmi ni mo wí. Ní tèmi ni mo wí. Or sometimes, ní tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ṣe jàtijàti. And then they finish the sentence. Ní tèmi ni mo sọ, mi ò ní fi ìyá mi sáyé lọ. Ní tèmi ni mo sọ. Ní sáyé lọ, tèmi ni mo wí. Ní mo mọ̀ wí, ní tèmi ni mo wí. Ní mo wí. Mo wí. Tèmi ni mo wí. Tèmi ni mo wí. Tèmi ni mo wí. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Mi ò gba wèrè mẹ́sìn. Meaning I'm not going to be a religious fanatic. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Because that time on Lagos scene, different religious concepts kept flowing in, and people were getting caught up in it. And just saying, àkọ́ríkọ́dì ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Èmi ò gba wèrè mẹ́sìn. I'm not going to be an extremist. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Ohun ẹ̀rí ẹ̀dà. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Gba wèrè mẹ́sìn. Àkọ́ríkọ́dì. Àfẹ̀dọ̀ṣá kò jẹ́gun kò jẹ́ran. Àfẹ̀dọ̀ṣá àfẹ̀dọ̀ṣá kò jẹ́gun kò jẹ́ran. Àfẹ̀dọ̀ṣá. Àmì rẹpẹtẹ. Àmì. Àmì rẹpẹtẹ. Àmì. Àmì ńlá. Àmì. Àmì rẹpẹtẹ. ńlá, àmì, àmì rẹpẹtẹ, àmì, àmì rẹpẹtẹ, àmì. Okay, so I have to warn you. If you don't like ìsọkúsọ, vulgarity, now you need to close your ears, because the talking drum that's coming is gonna be a little bit sultry. Okay. So if you don't want to hear it. Obìnrin wọ ṣòkòtò ló bá fojú kan kó, fúnra rẹ̀ ní yóò bọ́. Gbọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀rọ̀ tí ń yọ ọmọ rẹ̀ lọ́fìn, yọ mí, má kánjú, yọ mí. Orí òní, orí òní, jẹjẹsẹ kókó tí kókó yé bọ̀bọ̀. So, ní tèmi ni mo wí. Ní tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní fi ìyá mi sáyé lọ. Ní tèmi ni mo wí, mi ò ní ṣe játijàti. Then you guys need to block your ears, because I'm going to play the sultry one now. Fúnra rẹ̀ ni yóò bọ́. Fúnra rẹ̀ ni yóò bọ́, bóbìnrin wọ ṣòkòtò tó bá fojú kókó, fúnra rẹ̀ ni yóò bọ́. Don't forget your do re mis. Ọba tó dá owó, òun ló pọ́n owó lé. Bàṣírí wa Olódùmarè, jẹ́ kálẹ̀ wa ó san wájú òwúrọ̀ wa lọ, tá ó fi jáde láyé. You guys stay blessed. Leave comment. I'll check them out.